Take the seal out. Use a small screwdriver. Push the seal out like this. Pair of long nose pliers. Pull the seal out like this. New seal. Carefully curl the seal down. Don't press too hard and damage the seal. Carefully with the screwdriver, seat the seal. Use a special tool that has a little bit of WD on it, lubricant. Carefully press on with your fingers. Do not push on with a press. You'll feel it goes down nicely, which seats the seal. Leave that on for 10-20 minutes. When you're ready to fit it, carefully take it off. There you go, done.